For many people, the idea of relocating to the countryside is a distant dream. But for me, it has become a rewarding reality. Transitioning from an urban environment to a rural setting requires a significant shift in mindset. Yet the benefits to one's mental and physical well-being are substantial. Living in a secluded area offers a unique perspective on life that is often lost in the chaos of a city. My daily life is governed more by the rhythms of nature than by a strict clock. One of the most noticeable changes is the lack of noise pollution. Instead of sirens and engines, my mornings are soundtracked by the wind in the trees and the distant calls of livestock. However, the commute can be quite an adventure. Navigating winding, single-track lanes means you frequently encounter agricultural machinery or cattle being moved between pastures. In the countryside, these aren't considered delays. They are simply part of the local traffic. I spend a significant proportion of my leisure time exploring the surrounding topography. The area is characterized by rolling hills, ancient woodlands, and hidden valleys. There is an extensive network of trails and footpaths that allow me to hike for miles without seeing another soul. This environment is a haven for biodiversity, and I've become quite good at identifying local flora and fauna, from soaring birds of prey to delicate wildflowers that change with the seasons. The social fabric of rural life is incredibly tight-knit. Our local village serves as the hub for the surrounding area. Whether it's at the annual harvest festival or just a quick chat in the general store, people genuinely look out for one another. This strong sense of community spirit provides a safety net that is often missing in anonymous city apartment blocks. Admittedly, there are logistical hurdles to overcome. The infrastructure is less developed, meaning high-speed internet can be temperamental, and the lack of public transport makes a reliable vehicle a necessity. Furthermore, amenities are scattered, so running a simple errand requires careful planning. Despite these challenges, the trade-off is well worth it. The tranquility, the clean air, and the pace of life provide a level of fulfillment that no city skyscraper ever could.